Why peatlands are valuable. Peatlands are everywhere, in Europe, Africa, Asia, America, and even in the Arctic permafrost. Over the past 200 years, half of the peatlands in Europe have been drained, and in Ukraine, it is more than 60%. Wet peatlands are invaluable ecosystems that serve as a carbon trap because they retain carbon and prevent it from entering the atmosphere and heating the planet. This is how peatlands curb climate change. Peatlands are the kidneys of the planet because they purify water like a sponge, absorb and retain moisture, prevent floods, as well as droughts and fires. They are a treasure trove of biodiversity, a home to wild animals and plants. Drained peatlands stop providing their vital benefits. Greenhouse gases are released from them and accelerate global warming. Peatlands no longer purify water. Water bodies become polluted and dry up. Unique plants and animals of the bogs and fens disappear. Dry peatlands often burn and emit toxic substances. Europe aims to restore 50% of its drained peatlands by 2050. It is time for Ukraine to take care of peatlands. Thriving, wet peatlands contribute to the well-being and health of communities. They create additional benefits from keeping geese, sheep, cows, and even water buffaloes. This type of peatland management is called paludiculture.